Good afternoon to all. Myself Dr. Vignesh from Dayananda Sagar College. So recently we developed as a with the help of MakerSpace and other management, we developed a Dronakarya club. It is meant for completely drone and UAVs. So we developed some products in terms of drones and like RC planes. We will show you. So we have two different products. One is on drones. So we make both RC plane and drones in the autonomous manner. So completely built by the students from the scratch. So here we are making for the drone different application. Example like emergency medical. Nowadays even in the Bangalore, one of the hospital, I think Jaidev Hospital, I think they are with the help of drone they are sending the blood banks to the particular hospitals. So similarly, but how much it has reached to all the places and the people, again it is a question mark. So we thought to bring a low cost drones with a high efficiency manner. So for that I required again you people helps also, because when we go to the low cost, again the controller board it is. So what the controller board which we are using around 28,000. The Pixac board, and even if you go for lower also it is costly. So if we develop our own board, really in the drone area we can success. Even I have an idea like what are all the components and other things. So if we all work together, sure we can make it our own drone with a very lesser cost, and market also it is because of that the drones are not evolved in that much. Even the government has many initiative to bringing the drones in the villages also, but the cost of the drone again it is huge. If we can lift some around 1 kg of weight, so build for that particular drone cost it is very huge because of the component. Most of the component it is not in India, very less number of controllers for the drone, that too in a testing mode. All the controllers we are importing from the China. So that is also a major reason. So that is the one part. And next one, this is RC plane. Again it is made up of students. So it is completely made up of food material. We just stickered it. So this is again assembled by the students. So here also we are planning to attach some missile dropping mechanisms. So in the bottom, and medicine also we can deliver. So this is one concept where we are working on it. And nowadays due to this the situation what it is going on. So radar evacuating drones, and it should not visible any kind of radar or any kind of systems. So that is also we are working, because normally there are coating is available to escape from that, and many researchers also our students are working in the RC planes. And another one product which we are concentrating is that VTOL, I think vertical takeoff. I think you may hear both drones and RC planes it is combined. So the thing is that if we need this kind of RC plane to take off, we need some space to a runway kind of place we require. But in the drone it is not required, we can take off. So we combine both thing with the lesser weight, we can make it many, even our defense system had a good research in that. Recently one of the last 2-3 months back, one of the Pakistan attack which we made for with the suicide drones only. So like that we also concentrate on that particular drones place. This is one of the club which we made. This is Dronakarya, and another one is Vulcan racing. So here we are just open this one. So this is the vehicle which we made around with the help of 20 to 25 students. Initially we made with the completely engine based. So it is a formula based vehicle from the scratch, designed to this much it is done by the students. So with 20-25 students. After that we changed this into a complete electric manner. So now whatever you are seeing, it is completely electrical vehicle with the help of battery and motor it is running. Now we are working on this into a autonomous vehicles. You know how much autonomous placing in our India, that is all going to rule the world next. So that is the one part we are working on it, complete autonomous manner, and hybrid also we are trying. This is our products. Yeah. Thank you.